Hi, I'm Danny with BuyTwoWayRadios.com. We're excited to have an Wouxun KG-UV950P, a new quad-band mobile radio from Wouxun that's due to be launched very soon. This radio is very similar to the extremely popular dual-band KG-UV920P, but it will transmit on 4 frequency bands: 10 meter, 6 meter, 2 meter, and 70 centimeters. This is a brand new pre-release product, and we're one of the first dealers in the United States to have one. In this video, we're not going to go too deep into all the features of the radio. We're simply going to show you what's in the box and power it up and take you through a few of the menu settings. Without further delay, let's get started. Alright, here we go with the Wouxun KG-UV950P. I can't tell you how excited we are to finally have one of these radios. We have been getting inquiries on this radio for quite a while, and we've been seeing literature on it and specs on this radio, and finally it's here in pre-release form. There's a lot about this radio that I don't know yet because I haven't even opened the box yet. We're just getting a pre-release version. It's probably going to be 3 to 4 weeks before this radio is available in a production type release. So we're going to open this up for the first time, and I'll learn about it at the same time you guys do. Start with, let's look at the box. You're probably going to hear me compare this to the UV920P quite a bit because that's the radio that I'm used to in this line, and that's of course is the dual band version, 2 meter 70 centimeter version. This 950, like I mentioned before, is a quad band. It adds the ability to transmit on 10 meter and 6 meter bands. I'm gonna look at some of the literature on the box here. Twin band simultaneous reception, duplex communication in cross-band mode, same band repeat on 2 combined radios, 8 groups of scrambler, SOS alarm, 99 memory channels, CTCSS DCS scanning. On the side here we have a few other features highlighted: a digital FM radio, DTMF encoding and decoding, distant alarm, duplex communication, crossband mode, same band repeat, bandwidth selectable, of course, wide and narrow. Let's see. Let's open up the box. And they really take us through all of the features here on the inside flap. You can take a look. I'm not going to read all of this. Manual reminds me a lot of the 920 on the size and thickness. And let's get to the radio. SO239 connector, fan, size looks to be exactly the same as the 920. And the setup appears to be like the 920. Buttons maybe a little smaller. Like the 920, the face plate is going to be angled up. There's going to be likely in the box there another piece like this that can be replaced to allow this display to sit straight instead of an angle. Of course, the display is also detachable. There should be. Let's see. There we go. works like the 920, we'll have a long extension cable inside the box there that will allow us to put this display anywhere in our vehicle that we like. Click that back in. Now from the pictures on the box, the mic looks different than the 920. Oops. And it is. It seems a little taller maybe and more narrow. This is the extension cable that I mentioned earlier that allows you to mount the faceplate anywhere in your vehicle. It's kind of nice if you'd like to put the body of the radio under a seat or under a dash, somewhere out of the way. This is going to be your power cable. Allows you to direct wire it into a vehicle, or of course connect it to a power supply to use as a base station. This is our mounting bracket. And this is going to be the part I mentioned earlier that lets you mount the faceplate flat on the radio instead of showing it up at an angle. This would be a mount for the faceplate alone. And screws and a mount for the mic. That takes us through the box. Let's power this radio up and take a closer look. Actually, first let's compare it to a 920. Okay, we're back. We have a 950 on the left and a 920 on the right, just to show you any differences. They're pretty much the exact same size. The display looks very, very similar as far as button layout. The port for the mic on the 920 is right on the front of the display, whereas on the 950 it's on the side. That is the only major difference. Of course, the setup is a little different on top here. Now let's power up the KG-UV950 and step through the menu. Okay, we're back. Our KG-UV950P is connected to a Wouxun SPS33 power supply, so we're kind of operating like in base station mode here. I'm going to power on my power supply and then power on the 950P for the first time, and we'll see what happens.
Frequency mode.
We do have power and we're in frequency mode. If this works like the 920, I should be able to press my band key, or number 1 here, to flip between transmitters. It's going to flip me from, see the arrow moving from one side to the other. If the important settings are, whether you're in frequency mode or channel mode, for example, that's controlled by the number 6 key, or VFO/MR. Pressing this once is going to put me into channel mode, and this is showing me the name of the channel, which is configurable.
Channel mode.
A second press is going to show me the frequency of the channel. Now in channel mode, I've gone in through the programming software or through the radio itself and assigned frequencies to actual channel numbers, like channel 1, as you see right here. There's also a frequency mode.
Channel frequency mode.
where I could enter the frequency directly through the keypad or turn this knob to adjust the frequency. So that is the basic functionality. There's a high-low key. I'll step through the menu here and we'll see just briefly what our menu options look like. I'm using the menu key on the hand mic and then the arrows. Just let me turn this down just a touch.
Function select.
Okay, back in the menu. If this is like the 920, there are going to be 45 some odd options. I can't wait to play with this radio more and figure out how the quad band functionality works. Companding, fan, voltage, scramble. FM radio. Okay, I think we're going to wrap this up now, and I'm going to go play with this radio. Be sure to check our website for more updates soon. This has been an unboxing of the KG-UV950P quad band mobile radio from Wouxun. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, email us, or enter our live chat at buy2wayradios.com. If you like this video and want to see others like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/buy2wayradios. I'm Danny, and thanks for watching.